Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to open a demo account in MetaTrader 5, step by step. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone or PC. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store, Google Play, or MetaTrader's official website. Step 2. On the login screen, tap Open a demo account. On desktop, you can go to File, then open an account. Step 3. Choose a broker from the list or search for one manually, e.g., Exness, IC Markets, etc. Step 4. Fill in the demo account form. Enter your name, email, phone number, and select your preferred leverage and deposit amount. Step 5. Tap Register or Create Account. MetaTrader will create your new demo account and automatically log you in. Step 6. You'll now see your balance and access to trading tools. You can start practicing with virtual funds immediately. And that's it. You've successfully opened a demo account in MetaTrader 5. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tutorials like this. See you in the next one.